Hello friends, it is Teresa here and we are going to be doing our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So we have two different prizes. I'll go over both of them. Wait until the end, and that's where all of the info is on how to enter and all of that good stuff. And it'll also be down below. So to start, we have a collage of different Tim Holtz ephemera from these, and you know, there's just the two different ones we bought. I put them both in here, some of them, and some paper dolls. And then we have these ones, which are really fun for mixed media. Then next up in this one, we have some of the dangles that I made. So cute. I'm like loving those dangles. And then we have beads that are going to be in this giveaway. There are some butterflies in there, so you can make your own butterfly dangle, and here's some fall ones. And then in here, there's some charms, some fall, some not, that you can make your own dangles. The only thing you're missing are the tools. And last in this one is our fabric. So you have this. It's about 11, 12 inches, somewhere around there. And then the full length of the fabric. And then we have this one, which of course I am loving. I have a journal started for this, which we are working on. And then this, which I have a project for it, and it's kind of a wonky cut down below, but I wanted to make sure you had a little bit of everything for this. So here we go. I just love that snowman. So this is the first, and I just lost something. Okay, I'll find it. Okay. This is our first, well, one of our giveaways. Our next giveaway is this journal we have been working on. I added the lace onto it, and I really like how it just finishes the outside of the journal on both sides. So beautiful. I do have a flip through of this, so I will link that up above for you. And the only difference that is added into this is in here you have stickers from, and a couple charms. The stickers are from the shopping haul I just did from Journal Say. So how you enter? Well, it is open to everybody, all around the world. There's no anything that realm. You need to be a subscriber, and you need to make a comment, whatever comment you want to do, and you need to, let me get my notes, sorry. So it will be open for 1 week. So it'll be open until the 18th. I will be doing the giveaway on the 19th. And if you win, you guys need to reach out to me by the 23rd. And if I don't hear from anybody else, then hear from the winners, then I will be doing another thing on the Monday the 25th. So good luck, and thank you for getting me this far. You guys are amazing. Bye.